Hello students, welcome to the Shishit Vidyapiti School, Sagartal, Gwalior. Let's start a second part of chapter 8, Climate and Season in India. So let's start a chapter. The winter season starts in India in the month of November and continue till the end of February. In most part of country, December and January are the coldest month of the year. The days are short and the night are long. The northern mountain and the northern plains are extremely cold. Some part of northern mountain receives snowfall. There is dense fog and frost. In the northern plains, the weather is cold and dry with temperature dipping below 15 degrees Celsius and the time as low as 0 degrees Celsius. Dras and Ladakh is the coldest place in India. During winter, the temperature at Dras drops to minus 40 degrees Celsius. We wear woolen clothes such as jackets, sweaters, scarves, shawl, caps and gloves to keep ourselves warm in winter. People like to drink hot soup, tea and coffee and enjoy eating gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun, pakoras and parathas. The coastal plains and the southern part of India have a pleasant winter. भारत में सर्दियों का मौसम नवंबर के महीने में शुरू होता है और फरवरी के अंत तक जारी रहता है। देश के अधिकांश भाग में दिसंबर और जनवरी वर्ष का सबसे ठंडा महीना होता है। दिन छोटे और रात लंबी होती है। उत्तरी पहाड़ और उत्तरी मैदान बेहद ठंडे होते हैं। उत्तरी पहाड़ों के कुछ हिस्से में बर्फबारी होती है। घने कोहरे और फ्रास्ट उत्तरी मैदानों में है। मौसम ठंडा और तापमान 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस से कम होता है और समय के साथ 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस से कम तापमान हो जाता है। लद्दाख में द्रास भारत का सबसे ठंडा स्थान है। सर्दियों में तापमान माइनस 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक गिर जाता है। हम सर्दियों में खुद को गर्म रखने के लिए जैकेट, स्वेटर, स्कार्फ, शॉल, कैप और गर्म दस्ताने जैसे ऊनी कपड़े पहनते हैं। लोग गर्म सूप, चाय और कॉफ़ी पीना पसंद करते हैं। गाजर का हलवा, गुलाब जामुन, पकौड़े और पराठे खाने का भी आनंद लेते हैं। तटीय मैदान और भारत के दक्षिणी क्षेत्र में सुखद सर्दी है। This is the fill in the blanks and matchings. Compare and answer how are following different. Answer the following question in your exercise book. What are the main season of India? Describe the monsoon season in India. What factors affect the climate of place? Answer the following question in your exercise book. First one, summer, monsoon and winter are the three main seasons of India. The monsoon season starts in India in the month of June and end in September. Moisture-laden winds blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea during this season. These winds from clouds and bring rainfall to different part of country. The amount of rain varies from one region of another. In places like Rajasthan, there is much less rainfall in comparison to Meghalaya, which is one of the wettest place on the earth. The first state to receive monsoon rainfall is Kerala. Third one, the climate of the place is affected by the temperature and the amount of rainfall is received. The climate is place also depend on the factors such as the direction of the wind at a particular time of the year and the distance of the place from the equator. And your homework is write and learn questions and answer in your notebook. If you have any queries, so you can ask me. Thank you for watching.